Sup dudes, I'm the 379th Hero, and welcome back to the Java tutorials. Just let that sink in, right? We're back to these. But I'm not really gonna do much. Open, there we go. So we're gonna do Java application. We're gonna call this one Christmas tutorial. Alright. I'm just gonna program a little something. It's gonna be something just kind of basic. Alright. So we're gonna create an interesting method. Public, static. This is gonna be method. It's gonna be print Christmas tree. We're gonna make a Christmas tree using text. Alright. Now there's a fun way to print that allows you to do specific things. For example, watch this. And you gotta do that to get the Christmas tree correct. But if you do that, that happens. Now, I'm gonna do that so that I can line these up. And we're gonna do that. That will have to go like that to be shaped right. And there we go. Then we're gonna do that. And that can go like that. Alright, now we're going to call this first, and we're going to test this as we're going along. There's a thing we forgot to do. \n after each and every line. Now, there. Creates a perfect triangle shape. Now, let's replace those with that and see what happens. Boom. And then like that, and then we can okay, wrong spot to hit enter from. There we go. And now let's test this. \n at the end of that. Boom. So you can see it makes that ridge shape there. So we're going to keep going with this. And now this is going to cause some problems, and you can see that there. So, just to add a space to every line. And boom. Makes it more centered. And we're going to add one more line before we do the next one of these happening here. And add a space to every line. Boom. Prints out a Christmas tree. So far. Okay. And we're going to do the next ridge thing. This one was 3, this one was 4, this one will be 5. See? It's coming along nicely. I believe that one's 8 in there, so this one will have to be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't worry. I'll fix these up when we're done here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's 4, and this will be the 5th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. But of course, these all need to be like this. 1, 2, 3. And, of course, the bottom's off center. So what do? We add spaces to each one. Like that. See if that fixed it. Fixed that one. Let's try this again. See if it's still causing an error. And this should be centered. Boom. So we need to find the center of this, which would be 7 and 8. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why do we want to do this? For the next part. And then we don't need to continue with spaces. They're invisible. So we go like this. Like that. And then one more line. Now those would be two separate from it. But we do those. We don't need to put a backslash in because print line automatically inserts a backslash in at the end of its whole thing. And boom! If we expand this, we've got a Christmas tree. So yeah, it's kind of interesting like this. Of course, with proper graphics, you can do something that looks a lot nicer. But let's try something. I want to see if we can't put a star on top of here. Excellent. Let's expand this. Doesn't quite work. It's a good thing there is a character that is a star. So we've gone to here where I'm currently uploading a video. Yay. Let's check with the... So, alt code star. So we check for the alt code for a star. Let's do white star. It's 9734 by the looks of it. So if I go in here, I type out alt 9734. That's a spade. This thing lied. It says that's supposed to be 9734. That's not it. Alt 1. No, that's a smiley face. Alt 2. Other type of smiley face. Alt 3. Heart. Alt 4. Diamond. Alt 5. Alt 6. 7. That's a circle. Alt 8. Whoa, okay. Alt 9. Alt 10. That's not helping. That's okay. Okay. It's a sun shape. These are useful to know alt codes. 21, that's that sign. That sign's does something, I think. I don't know what it does. Well, that's interesting. Also, 32 is a space, by the way. 33 is the exclamation mark. 34 is a quotation mark, just so you know. Okay, let's try... Oh, 104? What does that do? That's a lowercase h. Alt 111 is an O. Alt 120 is an X. Alt 122, therefore, is the... Didn't see that. Lowercase z. Alright. 123 is whatever that is. Must be... Yeah, the curly brackets. 126. Squiggly line. Alt 127. Weird house shape. Alt 128. That C thing. Alt 129. Okay. Can't find a star shape. Sorry. Come on. Shouldn't be that hard to find a star shape. Let's try Alt 256. I'm finding some weird stuff. Can't find a star shape. This will have to do. Yeah. But you got a Christmas tree. That was just me having some fun. So thank you all so much for watching. If you liked it, please be sure to hit that like button, share it if you really liked it, and subscribe for daily content. And be sure to have a lovely day. Bye-bye!